Alright guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video is all about the kids area on the Disney Wish. There's a lot here to talk about, a lot here to show on the Disney Wish of all the kids area stuff that they have going on. And if you guys are ready to book your next vacation on either the Disney Wish or anything Disney, as always guys, reach out to me. I am a travel agent and we can go ahead and plan your next vacation. Let's go ahead and get into the video.
Gaming tech, eating brekkie is the gaming tech. Going for a brekkie is the gaming tech. Gaming techie is the gaming tech. Gaming techie.
I'm really jealous of the kids on this boat because they definitely got the coolest areas, way more than the adults do, and you guys will hear that kind of be repeated throughout the cruise here. But the cruise ship here, as you guys are looking at the kids area, is just really well themed. They have this whole princess area themed out. They have even a library here that you can go through, which is fantastic. Just look at how well themed everything is here. This is a little area for the kids to kind of sit out, watch some TV. They got some painting that they can do here. All the areas are just really well done as we're walking through here. I mean, this is a little frozen area, as you guys can see here. I was kind of blown away when it comes to the kid areas as far as the theming and all the things they had for the kids to do as we walk around this corner here. That was Fairy Tale Hall that we just saw walking through the other corner here. And this is another area here for the kids where they can kind of just get together on tables and they do events and stuff like that, building and drawing and all that kind of stuff. So really cool. And this is an even cooler area here that we're about to go through. This is the Imagineering area that we just saw, but here is like where you can build your own roller coaster, so kids can actually design their own roller coaster and kind of ride them after they build them, which is really cool for the young ones there to be able to do that. Here's the Disney Wish like sculpture that they have here, so that is modeled after the Disney Wish, which is of course really cool. I mean, these areas are just insane. I mean, they got a little bit of everything here. For the kids here. As we walk into the next area, just look at the Disney or Mickey Mouse area here that's themed out for the young ones here, making it feel like you're on a boat. A lot of different things for them to play with and stuff like that. A lot of different controls and games that they can play there in the corner. And then they got this little area here, which is really fun for the little ones as well. They even got little baby cribs in the back if you want to leave like your 2-year-old or your 1-year-old there. They got the cribs all there in the background. If you want to take care of or take advantage of the services there when it comes to taking care of your kids. I mean, this whole area and this whole section here is just huge. There's so many little areas for kids as we kind of go back and forth here. We're I think going into the Marvel section next as we walk through here, and these little things have all things that kids can touch too. As you can see here with Aladdin that I touched here on the side, it kind of moves a little picture there. And it starts singing the Aladdin song. So it's not that they're all just pictures on the wall. They actually can interact with things as kids like to do and touch things, which is really interesting. Coming along the corner here, even their bathrooms are themed. I mean, look at that. Their bathrooms are all themed out as you walk through here. And look at this Star Wars area. Why this is only a kids area, I have no idea, because they definitely got the kids area way better themed than the adult bar. All these cool interaction things that you can touch, all these buttons, everything is really well themed. It looks like a Star Wars area. It has the exact theming of what I would want a Star Wars area to look like, just like Galaxy's Edge and the Disney park looks like, but on a cruise ship. And they have all these different interactable things that kids can do. Like little things here, as you guys can see here, to interact with and kind of take shape. The theming of this area was just crazy. I mean, and just look at everything above. They did a fantastic job with this Star Wars area for the kids, and look at this little nice seating area. I don't know why this is only for kids. I'm glad they have an open house for all of us to be able to check it out, but yeah, definitely jealous of the kids on this boat because they have everything going on here as far as what I would want on a Disney cruise ship. Then here we get into the Marvel area that I was talking about before, and it's super academy that they have going on when kids can actually turn into superheroes, and they have this like AR game where you actually use your hands, as you guys can see that kid playing in the background, where you use your hands to throw webs when you're Spider-Man and stuff, killing all the enemies on screen. Again, only for kids. Again, jealous of the kids again. And yeah, this is a really cool area here. They have a bunch of different memorabilia here as well in the Avengers and Marvel area. This kid is just going crazy at this video game. It's a ton of fun, it looks like. Wish I was able to try that. They have another one there in the corner. They have all these different suits like Captain America here. So again, fantastic job. They definitely didn't cheap out when it comes to theming the kids area out. And not only did they not cheap out, but I think they did a fantastic job on everything that we see here in this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and it makes you guys more excited to go on the Disney Wish, guys. And thank you guys for watching. Till next time.